long format skills. And Babar Azam has long format skills and short ball, short format ability. With their limited resources, that's not a great start, but an excellent shot from Babar Azam.
Advancing. Rizwan just manages to get enough on it. Only just, and hung in the air for an age.
And he still is less than a runner ball, so he knows he has to get through the gears. And perhaps the bowler, not totally unsuspecting he'll use his feet, but I think it would have caught him a little by surprise first ball.
Wonderful from Babar Azam. Another 50 for this champion, who is in superb form. Wonderful use of the feet. So smooth in the shots as well. He's finding his groove now, is Rizwan.
It's risk reward for Lofty Eaton. Bowling to two batsmen in this mode with not a lot of purchase on the surface.
This could be a chance. And finally, one taken by Namibia. Freiling takes the catch, and Vissa into the attack. Gets a wicket.
Gone. Oh, magnificent catch. Unbelievable catch. Zane Green will not take many better than that. Oh, take a bow.
Yet again, Fakhar Zaman just trying to force the pace, trying to get towards the bowler. Fends the outside off-stump delivery. Very, very smart piece of wicket keeping there.
On 48. Rizwan puts it away. And that six brings up a half century for the stylish Rizwan. Oh, you can't bowl there. You can't bowl full tosses. That is asking for trouble. Rizwan capitalizes on a loose ball. It's gone after him through extra this time. Rizwan wants the second, and he dives back and he gets it. And that is a storming end to the innings in Pakistan's favour.
Good timing in the shot. Very good.
10 runs behind them.
Wonderfully bowled. It was in the air, but into the gap. I don't think he quite was prepared for that.
Oh, picked up. What a good-looking shot. That short fine. Slapped away. That'll be 4 runs. Bit short that time from Imad. Lofted. Man underneath it is a spectator. Oh, this is a good-looking shot. Is it enough? Is it enough? Yeah.
Namibia have made their intentions clear. They are going to put their foot on the accelerator. Well played. Made some room. Straight to the fielder. It was well played. Tries to catch it yet again. This time around, no mistake made by Hassan Ali. Oh, he's done so well. He came
Just like that, it's a one-hander. You can see what the ball
jumps to 1-3-3. Slower ball. That's a change of pace set up by the high pace before it.
temperature. And David Visa, has he got enough? Oh, just. And that sounded sweet. Oh, put a hostess on this one. Oh, that's huge. Oh, take the ball and run. no surprises.